Call the hotel to make my reservation for my final destination. Me a boy not change my direction, cause the girl them just fly. Every sound man, every radio station, black girl, white girl, every nation. Me and the girl them in a corporation, in a dimension in the sky.
I'm with my dates. Say hi, Jay. Hi. This is my date because Robin isn't here, so Jay's gonna be my date today. Not true. Are you my date? Why are you acting shy? Are you my date? Tell them that you're my date.
Yes.
Say I'm her date.
Hi.
Go move from me.
Girl, I do my love, no other dirty me no prefer. Tell her me not gonna leave and she said great man, whatever. She said me don't like it and so much girl won't give me pleasure. But so much mean nothing if me not the girl me suffer. Cause girl, I give me love, you me love. What kind of other girl you come and tell me about? No, 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 girl, I give me love, you me love. No, no words alone, me actions speak loud. Yeah, that's make no sense, believe, cause you're the match for me. Exist become me, ex because I'm not for me. And when my feel view with different, everyone can see. Before the world I run, my tongue get it believe it in me. I've seen many try to break us. They don't wanna see us together, no. People will die because we're famous, but not let that pressure, yeah. Are you my love, no one that you no prefer. Tell her we're not gonna leave when she said great man, whatever. She said we're not.
That the wedding is over. Ooh, I'm so cute. Shit. But yeah, just like that the wedding is over, so Uncle Owen is now married. He's literally my favorite, like one of my favorite in-laws, like my favorite uncle-in-law. Like, yeah, that's my favorite. It won't, man. Oh. So yeah, he just got married. That's who you guys just seen get married. So okay, let me fill y'all in and what's going on right now. So Bae was supposed to get a flight to come down this evening. He was supposed to, hold on, he was supposed to reach by like 6. Yeah, he was supposed to reach by like 6 or something, but because of Hurricane Irma, dirty bomber clad Irma, the fucking flight canceled. You guys, as soon as we were leaving out for the wedding, because the plan was we would leave after the ceremony and go to Montego Bay and pick him up. As soon as I was getting ready to leave and go into the drive, I got the email that the ticket was canceled because I purchased the ticket. So I got the email that the flight has been changed. Y'all don't understand. Like, if you guys knew Bae, you guys would understand my frustration. Like, because he can't deal with stress, he can't deal with like all these different type of changes. And like, if the fucking link just went through, like, we both would have fucking been here. And at this point in time, I really wish that it was really me that my ticket got fucked up, because I wouldn't mind waiting the 2 days to come down. Even if I'm in Jamaica for 3 days, like, I'm great, you know what I mean? So I just ate that and I'm sweating like a cow. But yeah, so now his flight is supposed to leave tomorrow morning at 10:15 and he's supposed to get here for like 1, but hopefully that still goes, or I'm praying he can get on an earlier flight, because when he went to the airport they gave him like a card, because all the flights to the Caribbeans are canceled, so they gave him a card to call to see when he can get on the next available flight to come down. But I'm hoping he can at least come down tomorrow, so he's here for a week at least. And then Rihanna Drew. But yeah, so that's the update for now. But my date was very nice to me. You know, he was very nice to me. This is Pumpkin's son. I don't think I've shown you guys Pumpkin, but this is Pumpkin's son, Jay. Jay, I'll say your name, Jay. What's your full name? What's your full name?
Javon.
Javon?
Yeah.
So this is Javon. This is Pumpkin's son, one boy. And yeah, so he was my date today. He took place for Bae, and he did an amazing job. He took my pictures. He made sure I was in my chair. You know, he made sure my napkin stay on my lap. He make sure some eat off what I'm supposed to eat off. He eat off my ice cream for me, because you know some in near my ice cream. And then something else sitting there. So yeah, and he's just been like this all day. Anyway, I'm gonna go and follow me. So yeah, if you guys are, if there's any young girls watching my channel, Jay, you have a girlfriend?
Yes.
What?
Yes.
What? What? What?
Yes.
What you mean yes? Go around and go in my car. Oh. Jay, what do you mean you have a girlfriend?
Yes, I do.
What do you mean yes you do? Who told you you're allowed to have a girlfriend?
No fun to have one.
What?
No fun to have one.
Your name plan for have one?
We just plan to have
You just plan for have one?
Yeah.
Jay, yeah, how much? Yeah, how much? How old you be? How old are you?
Daddy.
How old are you?
Pick Quebec. Something there.
How old are you? Is it 6 or 7? Which one? You're just going to grade 1 though? You just start grade 1, right?
Yes.
Alright, you're 7 years old. Who tell you say you can't have girlfriend? What is your girlfriend's name, by the way?
No. Nobody.
Okay, good, cause no, you can't have no girlfriend on me there. Are you mad? After you tell me say, oh, me remind you so much of your mother, and them someday are you supposed to come keep girl and have me? That's not right. Are we supposed to get married? What?
No.
No? No, Jay, me not like how you diss me. After you
Alright.
like how you diss me. After we just go out one nice weather. Oh my god. But anyways, people, everybody and them, everybody have manner, woman, everybody. I mean, one of us. I really wanted to come and make sure, see everything in person, get all my quotes in person to see if there's any changes or anything that I want to make, because you can see stuff online and you can talk to people through emails, but actually getting and talking to stuff in person is totally different. You get what I'm saying? So, and it's a lot harder because the people who are helping me out with my wedding and stuff aren't young, and they have like their own taste and I have my own specific taste, and it's kind of hard to explain all of that through text and emails and stuff like that, rather than when you see them in person. You never know, you can see pictures and you can get like a whole different idea or view on what it was that you wanted, you know what I mean? So that's why I was really excited to come. It's like grind time now, so we shall see how the rest of this trip plans out. This is day 1. I got 8 more days. And then I'm going back home. So Montego Bay is supposed to be Monday. So yeah. But anyhow, we're gonna go back up now. I know Julia wants to go out later, but we'll see, cause your girl is Brizzo. All of these extra payments and stuff like that, like, yeah, like I'm gonna be broke till probably like next week or something when I get paid. But that's okay, it's whatever. I'm in Jamaica, that's all that matters. I just want to go to my daddy. When I go to my daddy, like, I'm fine, like I can stay home. I don't really care about doing anything or whatever. But shout outs to everyone, while I'm talking about this, shout outs to everyone on Snap who was like, thank you for this surprise, because a lot of you guys were surprised that I was in Jamaica, because I never posted it on Snap till today. Yeah, till today, which is the 9th. So I never posted it on Snap till today. I posted yesterday like a little water buckle, but I never put, like, I didn't put any of the geo filters on there that stated like where I was or anything like that, like any locations or anything. So yeah, but yeah, I just did that for now. So we just left the wedding. Well, I'm still here at the hotel, waiting for everyone to get into the car. Everyone just a while ago was like, oh, everyone a while ago was just like, oh, we're not ready yet. Now we're ready and nobody don't want to come. Oh, Pumpkin's coming now. But yeah, so that's what's up right now. I don't know what the rest of the day has in store, but I just want Bae to come. I want to, like oh, just talking to my YouTube people. Oh, so yeah, like I should have been gotten that from. And you know, the funny thing is, I was gonna do it before we went to the airport on Friday, but then time was like, on us. I had to go to Western Union. I had to go buy stuff for the wedding. I had to go do a whole bunch of stuff. So that never did. And he asked me to, you know, he was just like, you want? And I was just like, no, we don't have time. And I should have fucking did it. And then I'm like, okay, he's coming today, so I'll get, but him not come. So now I have to wait one whole another day. And then my thing's supposed to come and then fuck up the whole thing. So like, just salt. This just salt, man. Fucking Irma. I don't know who take away our man for true, you know, but them really need to gear back because category 5, category 3, category 5, 4, 10, 12, 100, like, I can't bother. It just mess up everything, right? So no, yeah, man, I just want B to come so everything can kind of go back to regular schedule program. But until the next time I turn on this camera, I will see you guys later. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you guys enjoyed the wedding. Bye.
We don't play anything right now.
Hi guys. It took forever to find me, but me didn't want to shop out what you wanna call this, Crossroad. I don't really want to stay weird, but yeah, out this so but yeah, I'm at the shop and I'm just bunning a spliff and, you know, having a little drink with Pumpkin. Because he feels, you know, we were holding the meds and we were talking and he was just like, yo, like, I feel so bad that you guys planned your trip out. And the only reason why you came was for him, and the fact that he's not here. Like, everything is just so fucked up, you guys. You guys don't understand the half of what is going on right now. Like, Marlon is so pissed off and I get it, but like, bruh, he's taking it all on the wrong people. Like, it's not my fault. I had no say. You get it? But anyways, yeah, the songs that they're playing just have me in my feelings. Like, I miss him and I'm like, so like, it fucking sucks to know you planned your vacation with somebody and you're not on it with them. It's stupid. So yeah, I'm in my feelings. So I miss my mom, and I pray to God that plane takes off tomorrow and he fucking comes. It's a flight that I'm normally familiar with, like 10:15 reaching here, like 1. I'm familiar with that flight, so I just pray he gets on the fucking plane and there's no cancellations or nothing tomorrow. Can you believe it? Fuck you, Irma. Fuck you. Also, what I wanted to come on here and say is that surprisingly I have not had any mosquito bites since I've come here, and I think that's due to like the climate difference, because Montego Bay is fucking hot, and like as I come off of the plane I start get bites, but here it's cooler and stuff. So, but then again, mosquitoes like the wet, you know, because when it rains, not mosquito come. So I don't know actually, but I don't have a mosquito bite. I thought that was one, but no, I don't have none. And I think I seen like I had to like swipe away only one. Honestly, like I can vividly remember swiping away one. So kudos to that. Or maybe me just there too often, now them used to the blood. No, never mind. I was gonna show it, but never As we know, Pumpkin was just dancing. You guys will have to see it in the Snapchat story. Oh God. As my Friday gone, my Friday gone. I can't wait to see her. Alright, no, sorry.
Work out right now. Let it flow, let it flow, let it flow. Just let it go, baby.
You guys pray for me? I mean, you can't pray for me now, but I asked you guys on Snap to pray for me. Like, I just want tomorrow to go right. Like, I can't do it. I swear you guys, this would be the last, like, legit Jamaica vlog, because I would get a one-way ticket to go home. My boss told me I could ask for, if I ran into any problems or anything, he would send me money. So if I need more money to buy a ticket to go home, I'll ask him. Actually, it wouldn't be tomorrow, it would be Monday, because banks are open tomorrow. So Monday, and I'd be out, bro. Like, I can't. This is the first time I've been in Jamaica, and I haven't been, like, happy, because nothing is right. Like, anyways, I'm gonna run out of space in a couple of seconds. So, until tomorrow. Love you guys.